In Ontario, a driver will be given 7 demerit point if he or she is convicted of A. Following too close. B. Failing to stop for a stopped school bus with its red alternating lights on. C. Failing to remain at the scene of an accident. D. Failing to obey the directions of a police officer. Answer: C. Failing to remain at the scene of an accident. What does this image indicate? A. I am turning left. B. I am turning right. C. I am slowing or stopping. D. You may pass me. Answer: B. I am turning right. In Ontario, a first conviction for drinking and driving can bring a minimum license suspension of A. 6 months. B. 12 months. C. 24 months. D. 48 months. Answer: B. 12 months. This sign means A. Of a temporary stop ahead. B. Of a stop sign controlled by a traffic control person. C. Of a stop sign ahead. D. Of a yield sign ahead. Answer: C. Of a stop sign ahead. In Ontario, it is legal to turn right on red. A. Only after the vehicle has come to a complete stop yielding right of way. B. Only from a one-way street to another one-way street. C. Only from a two-way street to another two-way street. D. Only from a one-way street to a two-way street. Answer: A. Only after the vehicle has come to a complete stop yielding right of way. This sign means A. This is an intersection. B. This is a railway crossing. C. Children will be crossing here. D. Children will be crossing the road during school hours. Answer: B. This is a railway crossing. A streetcar is stopped to load and unload passengers. A driver of a motor vehicle is approaching this streetcar from the rear. The driver must stop A. 2 meters from the rearmost door at which the passengers are getting on or off. B. 3 meters from the rearmost door at which the passengers are getting on or off. C. 6 meters from the rearmost door at which the passengers are getting on or off. D. 9 meters from the rearmost door at which the passengers are getting on or off. Answer: A. 2 meters from the rearmost door at which the passengers are getting on or off. This sign alerts drivers to A. Do not enter. B. Do not turn left. C. Drivers can make a U-turn near this sign. D. No U-turn. Answer: D. No U-turn. When approaching a level railway crossing with the gates down, the driver of a motor vehicle must A. Stop 1 meter from the gates. B. Stop 3 meters from the line. C. Stop 5 meters from the first rail. D. Stop 15 meters from the railroad crossing. Answer: C. Stop 5 meters from the first rail. This sign is A. A. You must give the right of way. B. You must take your right of way. C. There is a slow-moving farm vehicle ahead. D. You must merge with other traffic on the road. Answer: A. You must give the right of way. In what lane should you drive if you intend to make a right turn? A. Close to the left of the roadway. B. Close to the right-hand side of the roadway. C. Close to the centerline of the roadway. D. Does not matter. Answer: B. Close to the right-hand side of the roadway. This sign alerts drivers to A. Slippery road when wet. B. No right turn permitted. C. No left turn permitted. D. You must not make a U-turn. Answer: C. No left turn permitted. Under the graduated licensing system in Ontario, the supervising driver must not let their blood alcohol concentration exceed A. 0.00 g%. B. 0.08 g%. C. 0.05 g%. D. 0.80 g%. Answer: C. 0.05 g%. This sign means A. Hidden intersection ahead. B. Winding road. C. Narrow road ahead. D. Road slippery when wet. Answer. B. Winding road. When approaching an intersection controlled by stop signs, where there are northwest lines on the road and no sidewalks, the legal stop position is A. Where you can see clearly. B. At the stop sign. C. Before the stop sign. D. At the edge of the traveled portion of the roadway. Answer. D. At the edge of the traveled portion of the roadway. This sign alerts drivers to A. No entry into the intersection. B. This sign means no stopping. C. Vehicles approaching from angle shown must stop. D. No need to stop for stop signs in the direction shown. Answer. B. This sign means no stopping. Before leaving the car parked on a downgrade, you should A. Leave your front wheels parallel to the curb. B. Turn your front wheels to the left and set the parking brakes. C. Set the parking brakes only. D. Turn your front wheels to the right and set the parking brakes. Answer. D. Turn your front wheels to the right and set the parking brakes. What does this sign mean? A. Traffic signal ahead. B. Stop sign 150 meters, 500 feet ahead. C. Bump 120 meters, 200 feet ahead. D. Railway crossing ahead. Answer. A. Traffic signal ahead. In Ontario, a solid yellow line at the left of your lane means A. It is illegal to pass. B. It is unsafe to pass. C. It is illegal to cross over. D. It is legal to pass. Answer. B. It is unsafe to pass. This sign indicates A. Winding road ahead. B. Bumpy road ahead. C. Road ahead slippery when wet. D. No passing ahead. Answer. C. Road ahead slippery when wet. When approaching a stopped school bus from the rear with its red alternating lights and stop arm out, all drivers must stop. A. 5 feet from the rear of the bus. B. 2 meters from the rear of the bus. C. 2 car lengths back from the rear of the bus. D. 20 meters or 65 feet back from the rear of the bus. Answer. D. 20 meters or 65 feet back from the rear of the bus. This sign means A. Playground zone sign. B. Children playing in residential area. C. School zone sign. D. Direction sign for children. Answer. C. School zone sign. When traveling on a one-way street, you see and hear an ambulance with its siren on coming towards you from the rear. What does the law require you to do? A. Pull to the nearest curb and stop. B. Pull to the left only and stop. C. Pull to the right only and stop. D. Slow down and let the ambulance pass you on your right. Answer. A. Pull to the nearest curb and stop.
This sign means A. Divided highway ahead. B. You are approaching a one-way street. C. Hidden intersection ahead. D. Pavement narrows. Answer. D. Pavement narrows.
In Ontario, it is legal to turn left on a red light when turning A. From a two-way street to a one-way street, after coming to a complete stop and yielding right-of-way to other cars in the intersection. B. From a one-way street to a two-way street. C. From a two-way street to a two-way street. D. From a one-way street to a one-way street. Answer. A. From a two-way street to a one-way street, after coming to a complete stop and yielding right-of-way to other cars in the intersection. What does this sign mean? A. Narrow road ahead. B. Hidden intersection ahead. C. Railway crossing ahead. D. Intersection ahead. Answer. D. Intersection ahead. When parallel parking on an uphill on the street without a curb, all drivers should angle their front wheels A. Towards the right. B. Towards the left. C. Do not need to angle wheels if you use the parking brake. D. Always turn them to the left regardless of the hill. Answer. A. Towards the right. This sign means A. Divided road ahead. B. Divided road ends, keep to the right. C. Narrow bridge ahead. D. Road under construction. Answer. B. Divided road ends, keep to the right. When approaching an intersection where the signal lights are not working, you should A. Treat it as an all-way stop sign intersection. B. Stop and wait until the intersection is clear. C. Park the car and direct the traffic yourself. D. Slow down and proceed with caution. Answer. A. Treat it as an all-way stop sign intersection. This sign alerts drivers to A. Right lane ends. B. Hidden intersection ahead. C. You are approaching a steep hill. D. Passing is not allowed. Answer. D. Passing is not allowed.